To avail free trial, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. That's the link to avail the free trial. Visit this link using Chrome browser. So once you open this link, then you can see this page. Okay, and this is valid. This page will be active only till 20th of December. Click on join the challenge, and then you will see 3 plans. I suggest you to click on this one. Okay, and avail annual plan, okay, just for the time being, and later on you can change it. Enter your first name and last name and also your email ID, and also check mark this thing, sign up, check mark this, and then click on continue. Okay, click on continue, and then fill up the information here. Enter your card details, enter the password which you want to create for your Kajabi account. Make sure that your card should be, it can be credit card or debit card, okay, and it should have international payment option enabled. Then you can check your email ID. On your email you will get an email to verify your email, okay, and there is a link on your email. Then click on that. It will open again Kajabi site, okay, so it will call out your name, okay, and then you have to just accordingly, based on the nature of your business, just choose the relevant option, okay, from the information it is asking from you, okay, whether you are a freelancer and you are a full-time doing this business full-time or part-time, like this. Just fill up this information so that Kajabi management, they understand what type of business you are doing. Okay, all right, so select the relevant options from here, and it is going to ask you 6 questions. So very quickly just fill it up. Okay, enter your name, email ID, enter your first name, last name, and your complete address, because this is required for email marketing. Okay, then click on all done. So once this is done, it will take you to the home page of Kajabi, and here you can see welcome to Kajabi, your name, and from here then you can log out. So this is the way how you can actually take 60 days trial. Okay, and then again from the Kajabi login page, again you can enter your name, your email ID and password, and this way you can log in again. Okay, so save your email ID and password, and this is how you can take 60 days free trial using my